Oh my God, the case.
Here's one piece of it. Here's another piece of it at the bottom.
Oh, there's the rest of it.
There's the rest of it over here. Holy shit. Wow. Oh, here we go. Look at this. Here's part of the board.
Yeah, there you go, computer.
It blew the plastic off the PCI slots so that the pins are all still, you can see from the force, the pins are all forced one way from the explosion. There would have been plastic going around it, the PCI slots, there would have been plastic around it, and it blew it off, and all the pins are going in the direction of the force.
Bring the rest of this shit up here.
Here's part of the video card. Video card. Oh, here's another piece. Video card. Oh! Here's the GPU. Or no, never mind, this is a south bridge. I found the south bridge off the board.
Did you really?
It blew the south bridge right off the board. Holy cow.
Yeah, it did.
That was awesome. Here's more of the video card. More of the video card here. Its processor's gone. Look, here's the processor blew right off of the video card.
There's a heat sink.
Well, here's the IDE end. Wow. Now this is going to show you something, how much force there was. It ripped this off the end of an IDE cable. There's the processor's missing. Blew it right out of its socket. Another piece of the case. I'll take some pictures up there in a minute. I'm doing a video right here. Here's the big heat sink. This must have come off the video card. This is the processor heat sink.
The other one must have been on the video card.
Yeah, or the south bridge or north bridge, whatever. There's more shit back here. Oh, here's a parallel port. There's more. What else do we got? Another chunk of the motherboard. Wow. Get the rest of the chassis up. Here's another piece. Oh, the processor!